Hey friends, if you encounter code 31, this device is not working properly, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to restart your computer. So right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out and then select restart. The next solution is to update the driver. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager. Now let's say the problem is with the camera driver, so expand it. Right click on the camera driver and select update driver and then search automatically for drivers. The next solution is to reinstall the driver. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager. Expand the list of drivers which are problematic, like if the camera drivers are problematic. Right click on the camera driver and select uninstall device and uninstall it. And then the last solution is a system restore. So search for recovery in the Windows search bar and open recovery. Click on open system restore. Choose a good restore point. Next. Choose a good restore point. Next. And then finish. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. And if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.